Welcome to my digital teaching portfolio, in which I will be telling you about the background information I have, such as a resume, and teacher and teaching context, the teaching philosophy, and the way I teach and my teaching goals. And as you can see, you will see everything about me here, the teaching philosophy. My experience as a role model for self-contained teacher, secondary English teacher, and international English advisor in my 20 years plus experience, and also on the education I've had so far, and including the table of contents that we have here in home, and about me in this other one, and also the contact. So let's go back to my initial page, in which I will be telling you also the organization, the way it is. So just to say, if you start reading about me, you will see also that the read more, it will take you to about me, in which you will find a little bit of what I think you will find as information with me. You'll find here in the background a picture of me with my kids in my classroom. So saying a little bit about that, the portfolio learning activities are connected to this activity. If you see the teaching philosophy and you read a little bit about what it is, and you click on read more, you'll find a complete teaching philosophy with all the references which are supposed to be included as part of the APA style reference. And also you will find the artifacts, the teaching artifacts, such as reflection, improve, self-access materials, and other teaching products, which are organized into sections with well-defined visual clues to organization that demonstrate sense of audience and purpose. And where do you find that? You will find it right here. And the materials, then you find the grammar and writing, the listening and speaking, the reading and vocabulary, and the interdisciplinary skills. So you just need to click on those, and that will take you immediately to the SAMs, right? So where you will find exactly what to do. And then again, you click on the next one, and the listening and speaking, and then it'll take you to go to all the activities, and probably to the sound and the listening activities, or the true or false, which will be taking you to the test. Or if you continue, you will taking you to the videos, and these videos will be telling you exactly what's going on, and it's pretty much the whole thing, right? So if you continue doing that, that will take you, it will all take you to all the activities that we did in the class. And until you finish maybe 2 or more that I created for the projects of the school. This one, for example, is the one that I integrated many other subjects, and I asked other teachers to give me their information so I could have students integrated as SAM for the class. So that would be very interesting to watch. So let's continue with the material. So as it says there, to encourage relevant, encouraging sources that are referenced with appropriate APA style, you'll find, for example, the one, of course, that I mentioned about my teaching philosophy, as I mentioned here, with APA styles, right there, that you see it. And then you could see some of my publications as part of my teaching experience. The one about multiple intelligences, if you go there, that'll take you especially to teachhorizon.com, in which I had my publication published. So you can find it right there, and then you see my name. You also find this clearly as a viable approach for the future of bilingual education that is in ResearchGate, and you will find it right there if you want to read it. It's right there. If you want to take a look at a full text, it's right immediately there, and it's part of my writing experience. So going back with the publications and with the explanation of my digital portfolio, I'll just have to say that it does contain everything that we need for the digital portfolio, right? And you also find out that as part of my experience, you'll see everything about me, and I tell everything about myself in this occasion, and also my contacts, right? And I feel that the sources that I'm checking here and I'm giving you, you click on them, you'll find that they are related to LinkedIn, where we were posting a lot of our work. I'm sorry, this is some of the work that I've been doing, which in which you can contact me, but the work that I refer to is in Twitter. And in Twitter we were exposing a lot of our SAMs and a lot of our work. And here you can find many of our activities that we were doing, that we were posting throughout the course. And so all these activities were related to self-access learning materials, right? And they were also being related to bank online learning resources. So you can also find me in Facebook as part of our of my activity, right? You can also contact me there. So that's pretty much everything, or my personal email. So that's pretty much my digital portfolio. I hope you have enjoyed it and that you find lots of interesting things about me as a teacher, and also as part of my experience as a candidate for the master's program. Thank you very much.